Looks like Vic from Quick Cuts should have purchased a 4x4 truck because he was unable to move this thing.
I'm about to change your ball. I'm about to change your ball. What's up? This is Vic from Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. I just realized something. I need a 4x4 truck. My dump trailer got stuck because of the weight, and I'm in the market for another truck. I just bought one.
So who's helping you out?
So I got Cordell from All Season Lawn Care once again bailing me out. Let me get that hitch.
You one that pull up higher on it.
Yeah, I'm about to grab it. Now they packed it last time, and we had to pull the thing out. This shit just slide out. It should. It ain't. Come on now. Come on, gravity. All right, fam. Once again, Cordell from All Season bails your brother out. I want to appreciate him. You know, one of the things I can say, this is why YouTube is good, because it brings people together who normally probably would have never met. And I really appreciate him, because I don't know how we're going to get this thing out. But he done bought a 4x4, and he was waiting on me to need that help, and he came and pulled me out the ditch. So appreciate you, man. All right. Cut on, lawn care family. Cut on. I'm cutting out.